Good morning to all. Today I am going to teach about second BSc fourth sem ecological pyramid. First, we will study about definitions of ecological pyramid. An ecological pyramid is a graphical representation of the relationship between the different living organisms at different trophic levels. It is called ecological pyramid. So this was given by G. Evelyn Hutchinson and Raymond Lindemann. Next is types of ecological pyramid. So there are three types of ecological pyramid. First one, pyramid of numbers. Second one, pyramid of biomass. Third one, pyramid of energy. Now we will discuss one by one. First one, pyramid of number. In this type of ecological pyramid, the number of organisms in each trophic level is considered as a level in the pyramid. The pyramid of numbers is usually upright except for some situations like that of the detritus food chain, where many organisms feed on one dead plant or animal. Next type is pyramid of biomass. In this particular type of ecological pyramid, each level takes into account the amount of biomass produced by each trophic level. The pyramid of biomass is also upright except for that observed in oceans where large numbers of zooplanktons depend on a relatively smaller number of phytoplanktons. Third one is pyramid of energy. Pyramid of energy is the only type of ecological pyramid which is always upright as the energy flow in a food chain is always unidirectional. Also, with every increasing trophic level, some energy is lost into the environment. Next is importance of ecological pyramid. The importance of ecological pyramid can be explained in following point. First one, they show the feeding of different organisms in different ecosystems. Second one, it shows the efficiency of energy transfer. Third one, the condition of the ecosystem can be monitored and any further damage can be prevented. Next is limitations of the ecological pyramid. First one, more than one species may occupy multiple trophic levels as in case of the food web. Second one, the saprophytes are not considered in any of the pyramids even though they form an important part of the various ecosystem. Third one, these pyramids do not deliver any concept in relations to variation in season and climate. Fourth one, they do not consider the possibility of the existence of the same species at different levels. This is the about ecological pyramid and its types. Thank you.